Let's take a look at how the Prepopulate shipping address fields feature works within the application. Due to default Shopify checkout limitations, apps cannot directly hide or remove standard shipping address fields from the checkout page. To bypass this restriction, our application dynamically fills the shipping address fields with your customer's chosen store pickup location details. To activate this, navigate to App Settings page. Next, open the Click and Collect settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Find the Prepopulate shipping address fields checkbox under the Checkout section. Switch it on and click Save. Once settings updated successfully, let's go to Front End and check it. Open the cart page and refresh. Select Click and Collect method. Now, choose your pickup location and select your preferred date and time slots. Selected pickup location address will automatically fill up to shipping address field on checkout page. Click on Checkout button once selection is completed. On the checkout page, you can see the shipping address, zip code, city fields are filled up automatically with your pickup location.